You all have hiccups, right? But do you know how much time an average hiccup stays with you? You might say maybe for some time, like 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now get ready to get shocked. A person named Charles Osborne was the victim of the longest attack of hiccups in the entire history of human time. One day he got a hiccup normally like us, but it ended after 68 years. Yes, I felt like this is unbelievable, unimaginable, and impossible. But that's true. From the year 1922 to 1990, he was having hiccups all during the day and even during nights while sleeping. And this is the first and last incident recorded in history. Okay, now share it to someone who can break this record.